Do you know when we need make and when we need do in English? For example, is it make homework or do homework? Hello, I'm Shona and I run the website Perfect English Grammar. We help millions of students every month improve their grammar and their English. If you'd like to get our free, famous mini English lessons by email, click the link in the description to sign up. They're short, useful, and totally free. We usually send 2 emails a week. It can be hard to decide when to use make or do in English. Here's some help. First, we use make when we create or construct something. For example, she made a cake. I've made us some coffee. Did you really make those trousers? 2. We use do for general activities. In this case, do is often used with something, nothing, anything, or everything. What did you do at the weekend? I didn't do anything yesterday. She's fed up with doing everything herself. She needs some help. Are you doing anything interesting during the holidays? 3. There are many, many fixed expressions with make and do. I'm so sorry. They don't really follow any useful rules, so I'm afraid we have to learn them. Here's a list. Let's start with do. We do a speed. For example, many people do more than 30 miles per hour through this town. We do badly. She did very badly on the exam. She'll have to retake it. Do your best. Don't worry about getting everything correct. Just do your best. Do business. It's been a pleasure doing business with you. Do chores. I have to go home and do some chores this afternoon. Do a course. John has decided to do a course in computing this autumn. That means he's going to study the course. Do a crossword. She sat on the sofa doing a crossword and drinking tea. Do damage. The storm has done a lot of damage to the house. Do the dishes or the washing up. This means to wash the plates after a meal. I really hate doing the dishes. I'm hoping to buy a dishwasher this year. Do a drawing. The little boy spent hours doing a drawing. Do your duty. He has to do his duty and look after his elderly parents. Do an exam. This means the same as take an exam. I have to do 3 exams and write a huge essay this term. Do exercise. Julie likes doing exercise, especially running. Do an exercise. The teacher asked us to do lots of grammar exercises over the holidays. Do someone a favour. My friend did me a huge favour and lent me some money. Do gardening. David often spends Sunday afternoons doing gardening. Do good. She helps homeless people and tries to do good, like do good things for the world. Do someone good. You should eat your vegetables. They'll do you good. That means they'll be good for your body. Do your hair. Ali spends ages doing her hair in the morning. Do harm. I spilt coffee on my suit and tried to clean it, but I did more harm than good. It looks even worse now. Do homework. Have you finished doing your homework? Do housework. Let's do the housework quickly this morning, then we can go out for lunch. Do the ironing. My mother listens to the radio while she does the ironing. Do a job. I think the students did a great job with this essay. It's excellent. Do the laundry or the washing. He did the laundry, cleaned the house, and made dinner. Do your nails. Jenny likes to do her nails each week. Do a painting. There was an old man sitting on the bank of the river doing a painting. Do paperwork. Does everyone hate doing paperwork? Do research. I'm doing some research for my thesis at the moment. Do the shopping. I'll do the shopping tomorrow morning. We need milk, bread, pasta, and bananas. Doing the shopping tends to be grocery shopping. Do time. This means be in prison. He broke into a bank, and now he's doing time. Do well. My sister is doing well in her new job. Do work. Lucy does a lot of work at the weekends. Do your worst. I've bought new winter clothes, boots, a coat, and a very warm hat. Weather, do your worst. It means the opposite of doing your best. Do your best to do something bad. All right, now let's talk about make. Here's a list of fixed expressions that use make. Make amends. This means make something right after you've made a mistake. I'm so sorry I upset you. How can I make amends? Make an appointment. She had toothache, so she made an appointment with the dentist. Make arrangements. Okay, so we're going to go on holiday in September. Let's make some arrangements. We need to find a hotel. Make an attempt. This means to try. I know we might not catch the plane, but let's at least make an attempt to be on time. Make believe. This means pretend, like a children's game. The children's favourite game is to make believe that they are kings and queens from long ago. Make certain. I think the cafe opens at 6, but let's make certain. I don't want to be standing in the street waiting. Make a change. I've made some changes to the document. Make a choice. Which job are you going to take? You need to make a choice. Make a comment. My mother made a comment about my shoes. Make a complaint. The food took so long to arrive that Julie made a complaint to the manager. Make a confession. I'd like to make a confession. I was the one who ate the last of the chocolate. Make a date. I'd love to see you soon. How about if we make a date for next week, so we arrange to see each other? Make a decision. I've made my decision. I'm going to go back to university. Make a difference. Going to the gym has really made a difference to how I feel. Make a discovery. When John was last in London, he made a discovery, a beautiful little cafe in a quiet street. Make an effort. This means to try hard. You're not trying hard enough, make an effort. Make an error. He made several errors on the report, and the boss told him to rewrite it. Make your escape. The bank robbers took £10,000 from the safe and then made their escape. Make an exception. Usually the children aren't allowed to watch TV, but I made an exception today since the weather was so horrible. Make an excuse. Why was Lisa late? Did she make an excuse? Make a face. The child took a bite of the broccoli and made a face. Make a fire. We put up our tent, made a fire, and had a hot drink. Make a fool of yourself. You shouldn't sing in front of everyone. You'll make a fool of yourself. Maybe you should sing in front of everyone. Make a fortune. Lucy made a fortune when she sold her company. Now she doesn't have to work. Make friends. She loved university and made lots of friends. Make fun of. The children love to make fun of the teacher, but only when she's not looking. That means make jokes about. Make a fuss. It's okay, I'm fine, it's just a cough, don't make a fuss. That means don't pay so much attention to this small thing. Make an impression. Jenny certainly made an impression last night. All my friends are asking about her, so everybody noticed her. Make a joke. The interview was very tense at the beginning, but then David made a joke, and after that it was more relaxed. Make a journey. Because of the snow, try not to make any journeys which are not absolutely essential. Make a list. First, I must make a list of all the things I need to do. Make a loss. This means lose money. Their business made a loss the first year, but did much better after that. Make a mess. What a mess you've made. Can't you tidy up a bit? Make a mistake. She made so many mistakes in her essay that the teacher couldn't understand it. Be really careful with this one because do a mistake is not correct and it's so common to hear. Make money. John made a lot of money in his 20s and was able to retire at the age of 35. Make a move. Look how late it is. Let's make a move. Means let's go now. Make a noise. Please try not to make a noise when you come home. Make an observation. Could I make an observation? I don't think some of our customers like the new adverts. So this means, could I suggest something? Make an offer. She made an offer on a house. She's nervous because she'll find out today if it's been accepted. Make a payment. Hello, I'd like to make a credit card payment, please. This just means pay the bill. Make a phone call. I'm going to go outside and make a phone call. Make plans. David is making plans to move to Paris. Make a point. The professor used lots of examples to make his point. Make a prediction. The journalist made a prediction about the economy, but in the end it wasn't correct. Make a profit. His business made a profit from the beginning. That means it made money. Make progress. Finally, after being stuck in a traffic jam for an hour, we're making some progress. Make a promise. I must study hard today. I made a promise to my mum. Make a remark. John was upset because the boss made a negative remark about his work. Make a reservation. Could you call the restaurant and make a reservation for tonight? Make a scene. Susie made a scene in the cafe when her order was wrong. She shouted at all the staff and demanded to speak to the manager. Make a sound. Don't make a sound. We need to be completely quiet. Make a speech. The bride's father often makes a speech at her wedding. Make a suggestion. Could I make a suggestion? How about going out for dinner? Make sure. I don't think I left the gate open, but I'm just going to go and make sure. Make the bed. Could you please make the bed before you leave the house? Otherwise it looks so messy with the duvet and the pillows everywhere. Make time. This means find time to do something. Everybody's busy, but you need to make time to study. Make trouble. That employee is trying to make trouble. He's always telling the boss bad things about his colleagues. Make your mind up. Do you want chocolate or strawberry ice cream? Make your mind up quickly. Make your way. After the film, Lucy made her way to a cafe. That means she went to a cafe. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was useful. Remember, if you'd like our free mini lessons, click the link in the description and I'll see you in the next video.